In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Teleprime from the Tele Solutions official website. So first of all, just go to your favorite browser and open up Google. And we will simply write here Tele Solutions. So you can get to their official website, which is telesolutions.com. I'll just go in here. Now the latest release of Teleprime by the time you're watching this particular course is 6.0, and we have different options here, but on the right hand side we have this download option which we are going to click. So let's click here, and this is Teleprime release 6.0 and you have the download link right here. So I'll click simply on this download button and the download will start immediately. If it doesn't start automatically and it is showing some message here, you will select download unverified file, because sometimes the browser automatically blocks it just for the security reasons. Now once the download is complete, I'll just click here, or you can just click on show in folder as well, and the setup file will look like this. Just double click here, click yes. It says the application you are trying to install is Teleprime and the release is 6.0. The application path where the software will be installed is C, program files and Teleprime. Now I prefer to choose the default location. So let's continue with the installation and click on install. The software is installed successfully and we will start Teleprime here. It will take some time to open. Now, as soon as the application starts, it automatically picks up the country, accounting terminology, and the company data path. So if you want to configure any of them, you click on C and you can change the region from here. Just double click here. And let's say that we are in United States. Just double click here. Accounting terminology international. I'll just double click to change it. Tele is an Indian accounting software, so by default the accounting terminology will be used according to India. So if we want to use international one, we will change it from here. The most important thing, however, is the company data. By default, the company data path is set to C, users, public and Teleprime folder. There we have the data. But the problem is, whenever we are trying to install a new Windows, usually we don't check C data drive, and that is most vulnerable whenever you are trying to install a new Windows. So that's why we need to change this location to some other drive. Just double click here. Just to keep it safe, we will keep it in other drive. So if you want to go back, just click on up, up, up and up until we see the drives option. Here we will go to D drive. And let's actually manually write it. Define the path and write here Teleprime company data files, something like this. Hit enter. Okay, that's an incorrect name. Now in this case, I don't have any other drive. Rather, I have created a new folder that whenever I want to install new Windows, I only have C drive. So I have manually created a folder named D drive. I want to save it there. So let's choose this. And let's see that if I want to manually create a folder named Tele Setup or Tele Backup, whether we can create it or not. It automatically shows this message as we press enter that this Tele Backup folder does not exist. Do you want to create it? Yes, that's what we want. Click yes. And that's how the new folder is created. Now all set, hit enter to finally exit from this area. Now if you want to exit out of this configuration setup, we need to click on accept either from the mouse, or if you want to use it via a keyboard shortcut, just remember that 2 dashes mean control. Hold the control key and then press the alphabet which is mentioned here. So control and A. Always 2 dashes means control. Hold control and press A. And now it shows the accept screen. that Teleprime will start the following settings. Click configure to save these settings. Now simply we have A alphabet without any dash, any single dash or double dash. So that means we can simply accept it either by clicking or just pressing the A sign. Now after accepting, it will take you to this welcome screen where we need to choose a particular license. If you already have a license, you need to activate the new license, reactivate an existing license, or you can try it for free in the educational version. Now all the features in educational version will be enabled. The only difference is that it is either activated for a limited time period or it has a limited capacity of on what dates you are entering the data. So let's say 2 to 3 months is restricted. You can enter the data in the dates of 1st of January till 31st March, but rest of the functions all are activated and for free. So that's what we want to access here, because we can learn the complete functionality in the educational version. Just click here. And this will take you to the create company screen, or you need to select a remote company if you already have one, but that we will see later on. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.